Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're a frequent traveler or someone who's always on the go, a portable hairdryer can be a real lifesaver. But does this compact wonder from Panasonic really live up to the hype? Let's find out as we take a closer look at the Panasonic Nano Compact Hairdryer, model EHNA27K, in a sleek black and pink design. This little gadget promises fast drying, healthy-looking hair, and a portable design that's perfect for travel. Let's see how it holds up. The Panasonic nano hairdryer stands out with its unique nanotechnology, which draws moisture from the air and creates moisture-rich ions that deeply penetrate each strand of hair. This promises to help maintain hydrated, shiny, and less frizzy hair. It's also equipped with a 1400-watt motor, which delivers fast drying power despite the compact size. Whether you're at home or in a hotel room, the 5.5-foot cord and folding handle make it an ideal choice for travel, while the Easy Clean filter ensures its long-term performance. Now, I'll admit I was curious if something this small could really deliver results comparable to a full-size dryer. But after trying it out, I can confirm that the 1400 watts of power works surprisingly well. The QuickDry nozzle, which alternates between strong and soft airflow, really does help speed up drying time. It's impressive how it quickly dries my hair without the harshness you might expect from a smaller portable dryer. I've used it on different hair types, from fine to slightly thicker strands, and the results were consistent. I could tell that my hair felt softer and looked shinier after drying, and there was significantly less frizz than I usually get with other blow dryers. The nanotechnology definitely seems to make a difference. And it's an added bonus if you're looking to keep your hair healthy while styling. The 3 airflow settings, high, medium, and cool, give you flexibility, allowing you to adjust the dryer to your specific hair needs. I found the cool setting particularly useful when I wanted to lock in volume or prevent further damage after a quick dry. But as with every product, there are some things to consider. While the folding handle makes it easy to store, I did find the 1400 watts less powerful than some larger models I've used in the past, especially when it comes to drying thicker hair. It's great for fast drying on finer or medium hair, but for thicker hair, it might take a little longer to fully dry compared to more heavy-duty dryers. In terms of design, it's sleek and modern. The black and pink combination is stylish, and it's light enough that you won't tire out your arm while using it. However, the plastic construction does feel a bit less durable than some other hair dryers, but for the price point, it's definitely acceptable. For the price, this is a solid buy if you're looking for something lightweight, portable, and effective for travel. It's particularly great for people with fine or medium hair, and if you're always on the move, the folding handle and travel-friendly design are huge pluses. If you're someone with thicker hair and need a more robust, salon-quality dryer, there are other options that might provide more power. But for daily use or travel, this dryer does exactly what it promises. It gives you fast drying with healthy results, all in a compact, easy-to-carry package. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've used this dryer, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And as always, stay beautiful inside and out.